Presentation Video Announced Speaking AAVO01 Cena English for Teacher Clinic League Students Norelta de Cuesta Montañez Since 2017 I have been living in Volcan, Costa Rica. I am Colombia, a religious from the Institute of Catechism. In 2020 of March 19, after finished the Eucharisty, Father Andres informed that no more Eucharisty can be held due to the pandemic. From that day on, I could no longer go and visit people as I had done before. This company the voice anger. Later, it was said that catechisms would be done virtually. I accompany children with special cases. I did not see my family for 13 years. For 3 years, I did not see my family in Colombia. Communication with them via the internet. Also got COVID-19. I was preparing delicious ajiaco for lunch when Sister says and is small, so good and they did not smell it and lost the dust. I had to quarantine myself. My can come through the windows to use it. Thank you very much.